Well, DJI have taken a groundbreaking leap when it comes to offering creative tools and devices. So today we are going to review a very small and creative gadget which is made by DJI, which will help you capturing images and videos that were once hard to reach. That gadget is DJI Tello drone with 5 megapixel HD camera. It has highly efficient flying and camera system that will help you to capture high resolution images with the touch of your fingers. So let us unbox the Tello and see what accessories they had given us in this box and see what we add. With the auto takeoff and landing option, you can easily lift off and land the drone in a single tap. It also has a fail-safe feature that will land the drone safely even if lost the connections. The downward-facing camera of this drone model ensures precise hovering. It is also known as the vision positioning system that helps with the overall navigation. You will be able to easily operate the drone after downloading the DJI app on your smartphone. This provides you all the easiness of capturing high quality images in flight. Some of the features and details we will talk about, like its gross weight is 280 grams only. EZ shots recording coordinates short videos with circle 360 degrees and up and away. Camera, yes, 5 megapixel photo preserves great memories with high resolution pictures. It has rechargeable batteries and we own two another batteries for us. Tello's flying height is 50 meters above the ground level. Its electronic image stabilization captures consistently clear images. Its flight time is 13 minutes. It captures smooth and stabilized aerial footage. Now let's see some sample footages of DJI Tello and check out them in Tegonity style. Something about DJI Tello drone, then you can check out the very first link given in the description box of this video. If you liked this video, then hit the like button and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos like this. So this is Divya from Tegonity product review. We will be back with some more amazing videos like this. Till then, take care.